Hey, what's up, y'all? Look at that water. I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that water dripping. You know. Look over here. There's still some snow over here. Okay. Oh, what's this? Is it frozen right here? Oh. Wow. They're nice. Y'all saw that? They're nice. Golly, if I would've... Whoa. Golly, they're nice. Oh, well. Huh. That's some water dripping right there, too. Look at all this damn snow. Huh. Golly. Golly, I'm so glad I wasn't standing on that. I probably would have been stinky wet. Whoa! I almost slipped again. Huh. But not my shoestrings though. Okay. Somebody left the umbrella. Oh well. And it's covered with snow. And it's covered with snow. Well, not covered with snow. They have a little snow in it. Okay. Huh. Well, I must say, if y'all plan on walking on top of the river, oh, look at this ice right here. Oh, thin ice right there too. Oh, what's right here? Oh, thin ice too. Everything thin ice. Let me see. Oh, whoa. Wow. Too much thin ice. Whoa. Raw thin ice. Damn nice. A little molars, mother, go past the tweezers and the, I don't know. Huh. Cut rid of that, alright, now I'm on Canal Street. Gotta walk down Canal. Or should I walk down Poydras? Well, I'm gonna walk down Poydras too. Okay. So, I guess that's it. Alright.